So today we'll be learning something new here. So what normally happens is if you're an engineer, if you're a senior or something like that, if you turn into a senior, there will be some of the cases where you guys need to showcase that this is a mistake, or maybe you want to highlight where this is a wrong thing or something like that. So there are few ways that you can showcase that this is wrong, or you can highlight it out. Right now I'll be showing one of the method where you guys will be drawing this out. But here I don't think so. This is probably like in case you can feel that this is wrong or something. It just looks like a box or something like that. So instead you can do something called as array cloud. So just go to this and using the keyboard to the arrow down arrow, you can just select this object and just give this yeah, no. So this is how you can do it. You can take any kind of a shape if you might want to. You can go with circular thing. You can go to this and the same method once again. Rev cloud, sorry, rev cloud. Go to this mouse, I mean keyboard to the bottom. So here, no. So this is how we can do it. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.